The potential trade for Aiyuk has been a topic of discussion among NFL fans and analysts alike, with many believing that his addition to the Commanders roster would provide a significant boost to the team's offense. Aiyuk's playmaking ability and speed would add a dynamic element to Washington's receiving corps, making them a more formidable opponent in the NFC East division. One of the main reasons for the trade speculation is Aiyuk's desire for a new contract before the start of the regular season. The 49ers have yet to come to an agreement with the talented wide receiver, leading to rumors that he could be on the move to a new team. The Commanders have emerged as a potential landing spot for Aiyuk, given their need for additional playmakers on offense. Aiyuk's connection with the Commanders' rookie quarterback has also played a significant role in the trade talks. The two players have shown a strong chemistry on the field, with Aiyuk often serving as a reliable target for the young signal caller. The potential pairing of Aiyuk and the Commanders' quarterback has the potential to elevate Washington's passing game to new heights. In addition to his on-field talent, Aiyuk's addition to the Commanders' roster would also provide the team with a sense of credibility as a potential contender in the NFC East division. Aiyuk's presence would give Washington a much-needed boost in talent and depth at the wide receiver position, making them a more well-rounded team overall. While the Commanders did not make a significant move to address their left tackle position this offseason, adding Aiyuk would still be a wise decision for the team. The young quarterback would benefit from having a reliable target like Aiyuk to throw to, and the offense as a whole would benefit from Aiyuk's playmaking ability.